All right, welcome everybody. This is going to be just a really quick recap here. I've been out for the holidays, and I didn't have a chance to really catch up and get all these videos out. So I'm going to do a quick recap here for the 5th of July, which is going to be Wednesday's trading. Started off with a buy on the gold. It was a pairing pattern buy. Came down, hit my stop, exited. No more trades on the gold. Very similar experience in the S&P. Also was a buyer, took a loss on that. We'll look at the stocks a little bit better in stocks, and then we'll take a look at our overall results for the 5th. All right, so we had several stocks on our watch list this morning. So let's look at the BTAI was my biggest profit. Had an HF1 buy, as you know, this is my favorite. I did have 4 different levels here. Each one of these are predicted by Einstein. So I had 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So I entered on the HF1 buy. Did not add anything, just had a fairly moderate to size position. I think I was maybe 500 shares. Can't remember exactly. But anyway, went through several of my levels. Target was on this 4th level. All during this phase right here, Bookmap was still showing a lot of buyers. Didn't have a whole lot of resistance up there with sellers. So I held on to it. Finally started getting into some sell zones. I also went ahead and took profit once it hit an Einstein level, which was right up here. So got out of that. Made a nice little money on BTAI. So overall results for the day, net negative. I was down a couple hundred or so for the day, mainly because of the gold and the E-mini S&P. I did lose a little bit of money on AHI. I believe that was the very first trade of the morning. AHI. Traded a little bit of CCL, made a little bit of money there. Did much better on TMC and RMTI. I really think I could have done better on RMTI, but I got into that a little bit late, but I did catch a nice trade on BTAI. So made money in the stocks, lost on the gold and the indices. Anyway, that puts me at a net loss for Wednesday the 5th. All right, that's going to wrap it up. And since I'm doing 2 here in a row, we'll get to our next day, which is going to be this Thursday, the 6th.